Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all winter diet plan for weight loss. Now with the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 10 kgs in 10 days very easily. This diet plan is super effective for weight loss, and as the winters are already here, this diet plan will keep you warm as well as will help you lose weight as well. Now recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for weight loss in the winter season, and they were able to see great weight loss transformations happening. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmorelosmore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we'll be more than happy to begin your weight loss journey with me. Now in the end of this diet plan, I'll be sharing with you all one detox drink that works wonders for all my clients for weight loss. It is a magic detox drink recipe, and if you keep consuming it for the entire day, you'll be shocked and amazed with the results, as it helps burn fat, and it will definitely help you cut your belly fat and as well as lose weight fast very easily. So stay tuned for that detox drink recipe. So without any delay, let's get started with winter diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs fast. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll start our day with diuretic water. We'll keep it very seasonal and very fresh, that is ginger tulsi tea. Now all you have to do is, in 2 cups of water, boil ginger and tulsi leaves and let it simmer for at least 2 minutes. Have it sip by sip, empty stomach. Now this tea is amazing for anti-inflammatory properties and as well as antibacterial properties to help you fight all the diseases and viruses this winter season, and will definitely help you stay strong, and your immunity will be boosted up with this. Now let's proceed towards your breakfast. For breakfast, I'll be giving you 3 options. Now these are very good breakfast options for weight loss and will definitely help you kickstart your metabolism also, and will keep you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. So for winter breakfast, the first option is you can have fruit bowl with 1 multigrain toast. Now multigrain bread is very easily available in the markets these days. So you can have 1 toasted multigrain bread toast, and along with that you can have a full good bowl of fruits. You can add any seasonal fruit, orange, apple, banana, whatever is available with you, and have a good full bowl of it. Second option for your winter breakfast will be collagen smoothie with 1 multigrain toast again. Now collagen smoothie recipe is already shared upon my channel. It is a very great smoothie for winter season that can help you build your collagen in the skin as well, and will help you replenish your skin as well. My clients have seen great skin glowing results with this smoothie, and each and every ingredient is very easily available in the winter season. Along with this, to keep you fuller, you can have again 1 multigrain bread slice toasted. Now the third option for your winter breakfast weight loss is room temperature yogurt or curd with added any 2 fruits. Now this is a tendency of people that they think that they cannot have curd in the winter season. Curd or yogurt kept at room temperature can be had very easily and very effective for weight loss in the winter season. So what you have to do is, in 2 to 4 tablespoons of room temperature curd, add 2 fruits of your any choice. Banana, apple, strawberries, nuts, dried berries you can even add. So whatever is available with you. And prepare a good full bowl of it and have it for your breakfast. These were the 3 breakfast options for winter season. Now let's proceed towards your mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack, I'll be giving you 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, or you can have peppermint tea or ginger turmeric tea as well. And along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts and 2 anji soap. Very important for winter season to keep you warm in the system and as well as to help you lose weight fast. Now let's proceed towards your lunch, and as usual, 30 minutes before your lunch, you will be having apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Have it 30 minutes before your lunch. This will help you kickstart your metabolism and as well as lower your blood sugar levels as well. And along with that, remove toxins from your body as well. So we'll have this water 30 minutes before our lunch. Now proceeding towards your lunch, I'll be giving you lots and lots of options for your lunch as well, which will be fuller and low in carbs as well. So the first option is multigrain dalia. Now the recipe for multigrain dalia is already upon my channel. It is very easy to prepare and very yummy as well. Along with this, you can have salad and curd again at room temperature and have a good full bowl of multigrain dalia. Add lots and lots of veggies to this to make it more fuller and as you can add lots and lots of seasonal vegetables to this dalia. But make sure to use only multigrain dalia. The link to buy multigrain dalia is in the description box below. You can check it out. You can buy it online very easily. Second option for your weight loss lunch would be multigrain roti with any green veggie and plus along with that salad. Now in the winter season we get lots and lots of green vegetables. Palak, methi, saag, lots and lots of green vegetables are available. So definitely make sure to incorporate those recipes and those greens in your diet in the lunch if possible. Now have it along with 2 multigrain roti. Now I have prepared a gluten-free flour all by myself and you can do it too. All you have to do is mix jowar, ragi, bajra, gluten-free oats atta and makki atta all together with these 4 and 5 flours. I have prepared a multigrain flour for myself. All you have to do is whenever you're preparing roti, prepare it with this flour and you will never ever gain weight. So you can have 2 chapatis or rotis with this flour and along with that add your greens to the veggies and have it along with salad. Now the third option for your weight loss lunch would be Mexican rice bowl. Now this rice bowl is very famous among all my clients. This is very easy to have and very yummy as well. Now the recipe for Mexican rice bowl is very simple. All you have to do is add 70 grams of cooked brown rice, 100 grams of cooked rajma, 50 grams of cooked paneer and salad in a bowl. Mix it all together and you're definitely most delicious weight loss lunch recipe is ready. Mexican rice bowl. Super easy to prepare and very yummy as well. It gives you good proteins also, good carbs also and definitely good fiber also. So 70 grams of cooked brown rice, 100 grams of cooked rajma and 50 grams of paneer and lots of salad. This is the secret for most of my clients of weight loss. 30 minutes after your lunch, you will be having 1 cup of matcha tea or green tea. Now matcha tea, 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. So it is very effective for weight loss. The link to buy matcha tea is in the description box below. You can check it out and buy it online. And now we'll proceed towards our dinner. Dinner we'll make sure to do it 3 hours before our bedtime. So I'll be giving you 3 options for dinner as well. The first option is cabbage soup or spinach soup. Cabbage and spinach both are readily available in the winter season and very seasonally fresh. So you can prepare a soup out of any of these two, cabbage soup or spinach soup. Second option for your dinner would be stir fry veggies. Now as you know, lots and lots of fresh vegetables are available in the winter season. So we'll make full use of it in a diet plan. We'll have stir fry veggies, add mushrooms, zucchini, onion, paneer 50 grams and roast them properly on a grill pan or in a normal pan. And for seasoning you can add black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, oregano, chili flakes, lemon juice, but no salt at all. And even for the soup I would definitely recommend to skip salt. Third option for your weight loss dinner is grilled paneer or tofu or soya chunks. Now you can grill any of these 3 options, paneer, tofu or soya chunks, and prepare it in the form of salad. You can even marinate this if you want to in curd and grill them properly on a pan, and you can have it in the form of salad. Add lots and lots of cucumber, tomato, onion to the salad and add the grilled paneer, tofu or soya chunks and prepare a good full bowl of salad to this, and you'll love having this grilled salad for dinner each and every night. These are the 3 options for your weight loss dinner for winter season and performs great for weight loss. As usual, bedtime drink. We'll have chamomile tea or you can even have ajwain tea or jeera tea. These 3 tea options are very amazing for your nighttime drink as they boost the metabolism and also help you lose weight fast very easily, and having and consuming this will definitely help you see a lower number on the scale next morning. So make sure to consume your bedtime drink and do not skip it. Now one secret trick that I would like to tell you for this diet plan that works wonders for each and every client of mine is detox drink. Prepare 1 liter of this detox drink and you will be amazed with the results. All you have to do is in 1 liter of boiling water add ajwain and cinnamon. 2 tablespoon or teaspoon of ajwain is fine and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Let it simmer for at least 3 to 4 minutes and prepare it in a flask. Keep sipping this water entire day for great weight loss results. This is the best detox drink for your winter season. With the help of this diet plan and the detox drink, you'll be able to lose 10 kgs in 10 days very fast. It is a super effective diet for weight loss, and my clients have seen great weight loss results happening with this diet, and so can you. With this diet plan, do not forget to consume at least 3 liters of normal room temperature water, which is very important for hydration and also to remove toxins from your body. So make sure to stay hydrated as well. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubt about any of the recipes or any of the diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.